Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about an investor pick. That means this is not a stock that you will buy and sell in a day or two. Okay, so as you can already see, the chart is right open. So you already know the stock, but watch this video till the end so that you would be able to take decisions and decide as to how we should be selecting stock for a long term investment. Okay, now as you can see, the stock that we have chosen for today's date is Divislab. Now you'll ask me why. Now see, first of all, we look at something called a trend line, and you see that a trend line is broken. Okay, this is your resistance line and that is broken. Okay, one important thing friends, we are looking at the chart for day. Okay, so each and every candle that you are seeing here denotes one day on the chart friends. Okay, I hope I made it very clear here. So now why we are choosing Divislab at this level for a buy pick? Okay, so first thing is it has given us a breakout on a daily time frame. Okay, second thing, I am going to open an indicator which is called moving average. Okay, and I am going to open it here. And we also have an indicator called MA cross, moving average cross. Okay, so the default value that is given here in MA cross is 926. So what we are going to do, we are going to move it to 50 by 200. Okay, so the short EMA that short moving average that we are seeing is a 50-day average, which is in red, and the long is 200-day average friends. Okay, and whenever you see a cross like this wherein the short EMA is crossing the long EMA downwards, okay, it is called something called death cross. Okay, and when there is something vice versa that you can see here, it is called a golden crossover friends. Now as soon as there is a golden crossover on a stock, okay, you can see the kind of momentum that it gives over a long period. Okay, so just to give you an idea, this was at 719 that a golden crossover happened. Okay, after which the stock did not look behind till 5370. Now I hope you can understand how big that numbers are. Okay, now your second reason that I am giving here is we are seeing a suspect of a golden cross. Now golden cross might happen somewhere here or here. Now how do we predict or how do we think of a golden cross even before it is formed? For that we are opening something called MACD, moving average, convergence and divergence. So what do we see here friends? See, this was a death cross. Okay, this death cross was given when MACD was crossing multiple times downside. Okay, finally it broke the median line here. Okay, and then in few days we saw a death cross here. Now what do we see here? We see an attempt to MACD to go up once, then now it is going up second time friends. We have already seen a breakout. So when this starts going up, you will see the moving average also going up and finally making something called a golden crossover. Once the golden crossover is done, you will not be able to catch this stock for a buy. I am repeating, you will not be able to catch it again. Coming to trend lines again friends, if we are drawing a trend line from the top with this resistance, you can see the possibility of breakout here is very close. Second thing, when this breakout is done, you will see this as your next target. As soon as it crosses, it has already crossed the 50-day moving average, which will now act like a support. And as soon as the 200-day moving average is crossed, you will see a sharp up move, something like this, kind of a sharp up move upwards. And then you will see a golden cross, which will take you to a very good high, friends. That is when this high will be broken. Okay, so at this point, I hope I hope you understood why I am giving this Divislab for a buy. Where will our stop loss be? That is an important point. Our stop loss would be at the recent low, which is at 33,045. Okay, I hope you understood and liked the reasons why we are giving Divislab for a buy in a investment pick, friends. I hope you liked the video. If you have still not subscribed to channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you would not miss on any video that I am giving or any update that I am giving. And also join the Telegram channel. It is at the bottom of the screen, where you will see different intraday momentum stocks that I am giving, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.